Jeffrey, and my project for this session at Bluestamp was a Bluetooth controlled, or sorry, not Bluetooth, fingerprint sensor and keypad controlled safe. I chose this project so that I could learn how to program a technology that I usually don't have access to, like the fingerprint sensor. So here's a demonstration of it working really quickly. So now if we unhatch the lock on the box and we try to pull it open, it won't open because I've got the lock inside. But if we first put in the keypad password, then scan the fingerprint, the box easily pops right open. Right. So the project was, as I said earlier, a fingerprint-controlled safe with a keypad, which used pattern recognition and an order-sensitive passcode to set a lock. So the keypad I set a password for the keypad while programming, and once the correct password is entered, the keypad would send an OK signal to the fingerprint sensor, allowing it to sense my finger. So without the keypad input, the fingerprint sensor wouldn't work and there would have been no response from the lock. So the fingerprint sensor itself works by taking quick pictures of my thumb and then enrolling them as like the authority, the thumb of the authority. And when I come to scan my finger, it takes another quick picture and compares that to what has already been enrolled. So one large challenge that I had during this process was connecting the fingerprint sensor to the keypad. The serial connection kept breaking down, and when I tried to receive the signal from the keypad into the fingerprint sensor, it started disconnecting the fingerprint. So I could only use one item at a time, either the keypad or the fingerprint. So I realized it was a problem in the if statement that I was trying to use, and I had to replace that. But by the time I fixed it, I had already wasted a week on debugging and had to make a less than stellar locking mechanism, but I still got it finished. So pretty all right. So over the past 3 weeks at Bluestamp, I learned that debugging, well, it is really frustrating. Can be somewhat fun when you finish the debugging. It's real satisfying once your project actually gets to work, once it starts working. And I realized that if you just put enough patience and effort into any problem or task that you're facing, you'll always come out with a good result. Eventually, you'll always come out with a good result. So thank you all for listening.